In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Apple Pay not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But all you want to do is go over to your settings application, and it could be not working for a various amount of reasons, and you can do this on any iPhone. So all you want to do from here is scroll all the way down, and you're going to see Wallet and Apple Pay towards the very bottom as the second last option. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see your payment cards. So just make sure the payment cards are right. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that Apple Pay has access to your mobile data and live activities. If it doesn't, it's not going to work properly. So then you want to go to Apple Pay defaults. And then what you can do is, see all these different options. You can change your default card if you want to, allow payments on Mac if you want to as well. But I'm going to go ahead and disable that. And then you can also try an Apple Pay demo where it says double click the side button, authenticate with Face ID, and hold the iPhone near the reader. So make sure whenever you're trying Apple Pay, you're giving it your Face ID, because if your face is like covered or anything like that, basically it needs that verification so that, just no one can use your Apple Pay unless it's you. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.